Welcome back. With our Canvas panel still open, we can hover over the right side. And the next element up, you can see that we can click on it in order to adjust the length. We can click on Adjust the Length. And what you're going to see is that you have a slider bar that allows you to either keep the current length to make the document shorter by pulling the slider bar down, or to make it longer by sliding the slider bar up. We are going to choose to make the document longer, and we're going to leave the slider bar here in this area. And once we have the slider bar where we want it, what we can then do is we can click on the arrow, and then ChatGPT will begin working to make the document longer. And what you'll notice then on the left side menu is that ChatGPT will tell you how much it attempted to lengthen the document by. So in this particular case, it states that it lengthened the document by about 50%. It talked about how it lengthened the document and what was actually added to it. And again, you can work more with what ChatGPT did here on the left side menu. So you can use the lengthen or shorten command here in ChatGPT inside of Canvas to lengthen or shorten your document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.